Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So today, as you guys can see, I don't know what I'm gonna title this video and I don't know what this video is going to go to, but sorry about not posting for 2 days. I don't even know how many days I haven't posted. It feels like a week. I've been really busy with work and with family as well. And I'm also recently I'm fasting and I'm also I think it's like calorie deficiency. Sometimes that like basically like you're limiting the amount of calories you're consuming. I am very hungry. I'm fine. But I'm hungry and I want coffee. I want to eat and I want to sleep. And haven't been sleeping good these past days. But that's a lot of information, by the way. This is just supposed to be like a plant related channel, but at the same time, I see you guys as my friends and I share too much, even though I really shouldn't be sharing way too much because I look dumb. I look like a clown. I should probably have some friends, but I don't have friends because I got trust issues. But yeah, so basically we're gonna walk around the plant room. I hope this video is okay. It's very easy for me to film and possibly edit. I don't even know if I'm gonna like go all out in this video on editing or if I'm just gonna go and just edit a little bit. But I gotta work and I want to put out a video today. I was gonna go to Lowe's and film a plant shopping video because those videos are super easy to film, but I feel like they have nothing good and I'm not gonna waste gas to go over there. And also my closest Lowe's right now, the streets are closed and there's like another like route you can go to, but it's it's really long the route. So, and there's a lot of traffic, and I'm just not in the mood to. My cat just keeps knocking on the thing, but I'm just not in the mood to get stuck on traffic and stuff like that. Like, I just want to be in the streets right now. So, yeah, I'm gonna go show you guys what's going in the plant room, give you guys some updates, and just taking you guys along and just. Yeah, basically, like, if you're here with me, like, if you just knocked on that door and I opened it, and you're like my plant bestie, and we just, had some coffee and we're walking around and I'm just talking about plants. That's basically what this video is about. So yeah, let's just get started. Also, I am yawning so much. Like I said, I just want to sleep. You want to go outside, mama? Go. Can I go or no? No? Okay, cool. Well, I'll leave it open just in case you want to go out. So this is the plant room. As you guys can see, I ended up moving some things around. I ended up having this in the living room, but I kind of wanted it in the plant room now because I just want to like just edit in my plant room. I don't know. I just a different setup, And also this Syngonium has been doing super good. I think I finally got the name Pink Splash Syngonium. And as you guys can see, there is a good amount of air roots, I guess you can say. This, and this. And for me, what that basically is telling me is you can propagate it and make a lot more plants. So one of these days I will be propagating it and I'm going to leave this plant in here and the ones that I am propagating, I'm going to put it outside because I want it to get bushier, bigger, but at the same time I want one with me next to me because it's one of my favorite Syngoniums. Even though it's not that variegated, it's kind of sad, I just love this plant so much, and I really wish it can be more variegated, but that's my fault for not giving enough light. Even then, it is putting out lots of new leaves. When I got this plant, it only had 3 leaves, and as you guys can see, it's gotten so much bushier, and it's putting out this new leaf, and then it's putting out another new leaf, as you guys can see. I don't even know if you can see that. Well, I'm just like seeing things. Okay, I'm just seeing things, but I swear I saw like a new leaf. Yeah, you can see it right there. Can y'all see that? Like at the bottom of this, do y'all see the little tiny little thing poking out? That is a new leaf, and it's doing another new leaf, and it just unfurled this new leaf. So I think it's pretty happy. My fiddle ended up placing it inside. Well, first of all, it had mealybugs, and then I treated it on the tub, and I haven't seen any more mealybugs on it, and it was there, and I was treating it, y'all, and it's been there for like quarantine and all that good stuff. So I just placed it over here as of now, even though fiddles are a big no-no for me inside. I place my girlies outside, at least in the balcony, because at least they're alive and they don't make a fuss. They're just a lot more happier. But yeah, she's super cute. And by the way, this is just because it's a lot of water. It's normal. When I first saw it, that was like a fungal thing, but it's not. It's normal. And then my Addie Sonia, she's super cute, and I don't know what to do with her. I want to put it to the walls and go up, but that's gonna damage the walls, and I'm renting, so that's a big no-no. And right over here we have my Dieffenbachia, this sort of Tradescanta, I believe, and that girly. This one had a mealybugs, and I don't even know why she is here. I only saw one and I ended up burning it off, so I think that's fine. She did got treated with neem oil, So hoping for the best on this one. This is from Propagations from a while back, and as you guys can tell, I got a lot longer. And I kind of want to chop it again to make it more bushy. So that's not that, but it's a very, very beautiful plant. I love the leaves. And then obviously my neon pothos just living her best life in the plant room. She was in the living room, but I placed her para acá because I think she'll enjoy living my lights. My Marble Queen pothos is just, I really do love this new leaf. It's a very new, I love it. I love it. It makes me happy. And also my Sansevieria, I think I showed you guys, oh no, I don't know if I did, but it's putting out a lot of new babies, so that's really good. It makes me super happy because I know these are very common and not that exciting to talk about or look at, but for me, I love Sansevierias. I just love snake plants. And this Maranta leaf looks very beautiful. Like, wow. And the Cebu Blue, which is also just doing his thing. What else can we talk about? I ended up placing my Peace Lily above because people kept telling me, and I already know this as well, but she's not supposed to be around the pollen. And even then, I'm honestly gonna, after this video, chop the flowers out and take it to the restroom and rinse off the pollen because I don't want it to go down on her, because we don't want that to happen to her. Also, my watermelon pepperoni is getting on my nerves. So she's not doing so good, and then I'm placing her like in a dark spot. But I love this plant, and Quasarm sent it to me, but I can never keep it alive. I feel like if I place it outside, it would do a lot better, so I might just do that down the line. My dark red philodendron is putting out a new leaf, so that's really fun, and my cat just wants attention. My anthurium is putting out a new leaf, and I thought it was a red anthurium, but I think it's like a pink one, which is really, really fun. She's putting out new flowers. That makes me super, super happy. This Potozo, can we just talk about her? Because she's so pretty. And she was so ugly, like hideous, just like bad. Because it was my fault for not watering it. But look how big she's gotten. Yeah, it's one of these growlers. I ended up breaking it. How you're supposed to like place it, you know, do you see the part that I broke? Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, so, but I'm still using it. I'm being creative. And it's putting it on those plants, and this plant gets that light. So honestly, those grow lights, which I always linked out in my description box, you guys, not sponsored, I just love this grow lights so much. And I'm debating on putting on my pink princess philodendron because I think she will enjoy it. She is outside right now. She's doing okay, but I feel like she would do a lot better with those grow lights. Because like, look at this. I kid you not, I was gonna toss this plant out. I was gonna toss her out because I already have a lot of these kind of potos, a lot of them. And yeah, I was like, why do I need more? And also because she wasn't looking so good. She looked really, really bad. But I was like, you know what? Let me just place it over here because like I'm gonna plant in that corner. And I placed the grow lights and just, she's doing so good. It's a very beautiful one. I think I'm not even gonna like try to guess the name. People always tell me, but I get confused because, oh my God, there's Glacial Potos, Potos Enjoy, and some other kind of potos. Very confusing, but wow, honestly, I know she was pretty, y'all, but I get moments like sometimes I'm just like, okay, the leaf is pretty cool, but then other times I'm just like surprised and like just falling in love with the variegation, the foliage. This one is so pretty. Wow. The green, the speckles, like the splash variegation, the smear variegation, different shades of green. Very, very beautiful. And then look at this one. Oh my God. Wow, I really took this plant for granted. Like, wow. This is very pretty. Because like the old variegation was not that exciting to look at. You know, they looked all the same. But these new ones though, like are very, I guess because I don't know if it's because it's newer. Something very, very dumb. But wow. Very, very pretty. She's super, super cute. That Maranta, yes, baby. That Maranta is kind of cute. She's getting very bushy. Yes, baby. Like, look at that. So full, and it looked so bad, but I ended up chopping her and placed it back, just making it look more bushy. So proud of this one. I'm honestly in the hunt for the variegated one, and I've been hearing rumors, not rumors, but I've been seeing it around on people's like plant shopping videos or on like their Instagram posts that they're finding it in their big box stores, which I'm so jelly because I want one so bad. And then I have this one, which was only like, it was like one plant, and I propagated like crazy last fall. Wow, look at that leaf. she's cute and she's putting out lots of new leaves as well. So I think she is happy where she is at. Also a very really easy Maranta that from, you know, in my hands that I've taken care of. She tolerates it being a little bit dry. You will lose a couple of leaves, but as long as you give it a good amount of light, she will just flourish back even more, because that's what she gets. She gets a pretty good amount of light, and also the plant room is always just humid. That Fritonia, I always need to like check on it. Like it should honestly be next to my table, because one time I had it and I killed it because it just dried out way too fast. So I need to like always stare at it and be on my toes. Also my polka dot plant, which I think is in the living room. But that's basically it. And I mean, there's a lot other things we can talk about. Also, like my string of hearts is just getting a lot longer, so I'm super proud of her. And the ones that I have over here, which honestly it's already like overdue to like repot, and I haven't even done it because I don't need more string of hearts. And I did it for funsies, and also to benefit the plant, because whenever you chop off like, you know, the little stems, it pushes out even more. So I don't know, I might just pot her up. I always say that, but I never really do it. And this plant, which was on my Manjula photos, before I saying that it was reverting, to me it looks like a global green. Okay, and sometimes Coastal Farm does that, like they place other plants in their pots. Like that looks like a global green. There is no white variegation at all on this one. Maybe it just completely reverted, but it can literally fool people on like thinking it's a global green, because I've tell people like, what do you think it is? They always say global green, and then once they tell them like, oh, it was on my Marble Queen photos, like on the same pot, and they're like, oh, then it just reverted. And I was like, what the hell? So I don't know, but she's still cute. And the plants that were propagated from my boyfriend, haven't even checked up on them. So I hate this from you guys. I am so behind right now. My focus is on work and just nomás trabajando. You know how it is. You know how it is. Super cute. This one's not that cute. I was like, the other one has such beautiful leaves. We're gonna go to the living room. This looks very funky. My mom told me like a monkey's gonna climb on it, but it's because I don't know where else to place it. She is way too long, and she's also thirsty. I can tell because the leaves are starting to curl. I think she's ugly. I'm sorry, but I don't like Scandapsis that much, and they don't like me, and that's perfectly fine. So I might just sell it. I don't even know who the hell wants to buy this, but I'll find out once I put it on Facebook Marketplace or something like that. My peace lily, just she's so cute. The mess is the table is a huge mess because this is where the plants were at. I placed this table in the living room, and I haven't had time to clean it. So, and I just did it like last night. But this is pretty. That's something. This, I'm so sick and tired of it. I just want to get rid of it. And then my little casey thingy para acá. I said I was going to leave my polka dot begonia para acá, but to be honest, I kind of like it. I don't think it's going to struggle. If I do see crispy leaves, she's going straight back to the plant room because she was doing super good in there. And then my little pots of philodendron micans that I propagated are doing really, really good. Look at all those beautiful new leaves. We just love propagating by nodes. That pot is really funny. And then my other neon, isn't neon, my brain. Y'all, I can't function anymore. I don't know what's going on. But this pothos is looking pretty good as well. And I guess we can go outside if y'all want to, but it's gonna be super loud. And also, the eggs ended up hatching. I think so because I had coffee this morning. I was like sitting outside and drinking my coffee, and I keep hearing like little birds. So yeah. Oh, my monstera's getting light. That's good, but this I'm scared it's gonna get burned. But even then, Monstera deliciosas in their natural habitat, they actually get direct sunlight. A little bit of it, scattered direct sunlight, but they do. So even then, if it survives and doesn't get burned, which I think it'll do perfectly fine, because that plant was a gift from my grandma last year, and she had it in her backyard getting almost direct sunlight. So yeah, like I think it's fine. We have my Fero para allá, my corn plants, a lot of my hanging baskets. This Hoya was infested with some sort of pest. It was like yellow, and it also had mealybugs. I sprayed it like crazy with neem oil, left it in the restroom overnight, rinsed it off. I haven't seen any more mealybugs, but I'm gonna check again today, and if I do see some again, she's gonna go back in the restroom and get sprayed. And I also gotta check on the other plants as well and make sure there is no pests, which I'm pretty sure they did got to, but I gotta go and check. Hopefully they're just getting direct light, which I'm really, really happy because it's been getting direct sunlight. My I think it's a hope philodendron or my split leaf philodendron. Not so sure, but it is a philodendron and it's doing amazing outside, leaf after leaf. So I'm super proud of that. As you guys can see, my monstera is putting out some new leaves as well. This black plant over here is kind of cute. The green galaxy plants, I haven't seen no roots lately. I see like a little bit of roots, but it's not as, you know, as fast as the Cebu Blues. The Cebu Blues are already putting out new leaves, which is really, really good. My Syngonium, I used to call it Syngonium batik, but I think I'm saying it wrong. But that Syngonium, this one, the pink pot, was a gift from a red market and it's doing amazing. It is putting out a new leaf. My red stem anthurium is putting out a new leaf as well. My PPP already completely unfurled her new leaf. Everything is looking pretty good except my money tree. She is putting out new leaves as you guys can see, but I don't know, I was seeing so much rapid growth when it was inside of for months. And I guess like a month and like a couple weeks, she was doing super, super good with the grow lights that I had her on. And I thought she would do better outside, but I'm seeing that it's not the case. But it's okay. So that's basically what I have in the balcony as of now. A lot of you guys seem to enjoy that video, and honestly, I enjoyed it as well. It was just so calming, very chill. Lots of plants to look at, so that was really, really fun. But that's basically it, you guys. I'm not gonna make the video way too long. Oh, my asparagus fern is looking super cute. So the camera, you can't really see it in the camera, but I'm just so proud of him. Like, I love this plant. I really do. It looks like a fern, but it's not, and nor does it act like a fern, which makes me super happy because, you know, it's not. But still, my Brazil with its beautiful new leaves, and I know there's a cream splash and a Rio Brazil. I mean, yeah, a Rio philodendron, cream splash philodendron, and another one. So I think that looks so pretty if I had it like this. If only there's a way I can edit the video and swap the green to like a white color. Oh, I just want to see that, like a very massive cream splash philodendron. That looks so beautiful. But even then, this one is looking amazing as well. And what an interesting leaf. So what's my other, oh, I ended up placing my other Brazil outside because I wanted to grow super fast. Also my neon, God, I forgot. I know it's a philodendron, but it's putting out lots of new leaves and I'm super proud of him. So proud. Oh my god, and the leaves are just so thick and juicy. I love this plant. I really do. Just such a bright, joyful looking plant. But so you guys, that's basically it for today. My cat is cleaning herself. I hope you guys enjoyed this very random, unprofessional video. But it's like if you guys came over, wow, that's cute. But it's like if you guys came over to my apartment and I was just like talking with y'all and showing you guys my plants, this is what basically would happen. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up to let me know, and I'll see y'all on the next one. See you on the next one. Bye.